To use or not use loops, that is not a debate that I'm going to have with you today. However, if you do use loops, I have got an Abelton Pro tip that is just, and you are going to love me for.
We're going to begin with a loop that we like, in groove and in the sonic feel. Right-click, then select Slice to New MIDI Track. Make sure Create one slice per transient is selected, and then hit OK. And now it's turned into an actual drum kit. With each individual sound now on its own pad, you can manipulate the groove of this loop or create something entirely new. Ableton is so good at not just extracting, but creating a MIDI map of the different parts and identifying them that you can now use this to apply the same groove to different sounds. Now, here's that same groove, but with a different drum kit. To customize this loop to fit our own productions, we're going to rearrange the groove. This is extremely helpful because now you can reinforce that original loop with some additional sounds. Now, here's our new groove with some additional sounds to really pack a punch.
What's your feeling on loops? Drop them in the comments below and save this post because you are serious about stepping up your production game.